Hello, myself Dr. K.W. Pawar, Department of Botany, R.B. Narayan Rao Borauke College, Sri Rampur, District Ahmednagar. Today I am going to deal on the particular topic of TYBSc class, that is from the subject of horticulture and floriculture. Horticulture and floriculture. From that, there is the topic, that is the special practices in horticulture. Special practices in horticulture, like the particular training. As we know that in horticulture there is the particular special practice that is the training and pruning. From that, today I am going to deal on the particular training. So horticulture is always tried to develop the better quality and quantity of the particular food product. Here the particular horticultural plants are important in the particular different ways, like the food, like the medicines, like the cosmetics. So it is essential to maintain this particular crop in the desired manner, and their quality of the particular fruits in terms of the quality and quantity of the particular fruits. So there is this for maintenance of that particular thing, there are some special practices carried out into the particular horticulture. So here there is the particular special practice, that is the training. So what is the definition of training, or one can define the particular training definition of training. It is the particular, it is physical methods that control the shape, size, it is the physical method that control the shape, size of the particular growing plant. Or there is the, or in other language, what we call it is determine the particular shape and the size of the particular growing plant. Here there is the particular, likewise there is the shape and size. Again it controls the direction of the particular growing plant. So what is the definition? The training is the physical method that control the particular shape, size, and again there is the direction of the growing plant. In other words, to produce or to giving the framework to the particular plant. There is the particular framework to that, desired framework to the particular plant. One can give the desired framework for maintaining the particular fruit in terms of the quality as well as the quantity. Specially, this particular training methods is applicable or employed on the fruit trees. Then what are the objectives of the particular training? Objectives. What are the objective of the particular training? First of all, first objective and foremost objective, to develop the strong framework. Okay, to first objective is that to develop the strong framework to the particular plant. Then to control and regulate shape and size of the plant. This is the second objective, that is to control and regulate the shape and size of the plant. First objective is that, and that is very important objective, there is to develop the strong framework, and second thing, to control and regulate the shape and size of the plant. Then to have better crotch angle. This particular training also help to the particular better crotch angle to the plant. I will explain you little rattle what is the crotch angle. What do you mean by the crotch angle? Now just to remember that to have or to develop the particular better crotch angle to the plant. Then to protect the plant from wind damage. To protect again this is another objective of the particular training, to protect the plant from wind damage. Then there is to maintain balance between vegetative and reproductive growth. This is again another important objective of training. Why should one can go for training? So to maintain the particular balance between vegetative and reproductive growth. Then there is again to admit more sunlight to the plant. So these are some objectives of the particular training, to admit the particular more sunlight and air also to the particular plant or center of the plant, to admit the more sunlight and air to the center of the plant. This is again the objective. So there are many objectives, like here there is the particular to regulate the shape and size framework. Then there is the particular balance between the vegetative and reproductive growth. Then to control or to have the crotch angle between the particular main trunk to the branch, to develop the crotch angle. Then to maintain the balance between the vegetative and reproductive growth, and to admit the more sunlight to the particular plant. Okay, then what are the types of training? What are the types of training? Before that, one should know the some terminologies about the particular training. Before type there is the some terminologies about the particular training. Here suppose this is the main trunk of the plant. This is the main trunk of the plant, and here there are the particular branchings are there. These are the some branchings to the main trunk. Okay, so here main trunk, this is the branching. Okay, there are these some terminology is there. Suppose first one is that trunk. What do you mean? What is the trunk? This much is the trunk of the particular plant. This is the main stem, or what we call it as this is the trunk, main trunk of the trunk, or what we call it as the trunk of the plant. Then second one, there is the particular head. What is head? The particular first branch of the trunk. This is the first branch, and what we call it as the trunk. This is the first branch, and we call it as the particular head. First, from the bottom, there is the first branch that arises from the main trunk, what we call it as the particular head. Then third thing is that there is the particular scaffold branch. Third thing is that this particular terminology comes in this training and pruning operations. So this scaffold branch. So again, this one is the scaffold branch, because this branch from the bottom, the first branch of the particular trunk, what we call again it as the scaffold branch, means head and the scaffold branch is supposed to be, or maybe one and the same. There is the first branch that is developed from the particular from bottom to the main trunk, what we call it as the scaffold branch. Then crotch. What is crotch? Crotch is that there is the angle between the trunk and the particular branch. There is the angle between the main trunk and the branch, what we called it as the crotch. And this is again the most important. I told you in objectives that crotch, to develop the crotch angle, we practice the training. So it is most important to have the particular crotch angle, because it is angle between the particular main stem to the branch, what we called it as the crotch. Then leader, or what we called it as the ladder. Ladder or leader. This is the portion what we call from the bottom. there is this particular portion is called as the ladder or the leader. Okay, this particular portion, total portion of the trunk from the bottom up to the particular top, what we called it as the leader, or suppose it may be called as the this particular ladder, or there is the leader. Then there is the particular water chute. Water chute, the chute that develop on the particular older branch, what we called it as the older branch. This is the particular water chute. This is the crotch. This is the water chute, what we call it as the water chute. So you don't confuse here. Here there is the crotch, and here what we call the chute that develop on the older branch, and what we called it as the water chute. And last one, that is the particular sucker. So friends, here there is the adventitious bud develop on the bud that develop on the particular adventitious root, bud that develop on the particular adventitious root, what we call it as sucker. We call it as the sucker. So these are the terminologies. This is the sucker that are developed on the particular adventitious root. So these are the terminology. That is this is the main trunk, the first branch from the trunk, that is the head. Then there is again the first branch from the ground to develop on the trunk, what we called it as the scaffold. This one is the scaffold branch, what we called it as the scaffold branch. And again this particular scaffold or scaffold branch repeated the word scaffold branch many times. So remember that this is the first branch developed from the aerial portion, what we call it as the scaffold branch. Then this is the particular crotch. There is the angle between the main trunk to the branch, what we call it as the every branch, what we called it as the crotch. Here there is the again crotch angle. So this is the crotch angle. Then ladder, the aerial portion of whole trunk or whole plant, what we called it as the ladder. Then there is the water chute. The water chute develop on the particular, this is the water chute that is developed on the particular old branch of the trunk, what we call water chute. And lastly there is the sucker, the adventitious bud that develop on the particular root, adventitious root, the bud develop. So what we call it as the sucker. So these are all the terminologies. This is all the terminologies. Then there are the particular types of training, or what we call height of head. Height of head. Height of head means what? The height of head means from the ground, the height from the ground to the first branching, what we call it as the height of, this is the height of head. Means what? There is the particular, from the ground there is the first branching, and what is the height? That is what we called it as the height of head. Or this is the height from ground up to the particular first branching, what we called it as the height of head. So in the types of training, on account of the height of head, or on the basis of height of head, there are the three types of training on account of height of head. First one is a low head, second one is the middle head, and third one is the high head. First one is the low head, then middle, or we called it as the medium head. These are the three types of head. Here there is the particular low head, then medium head and high head. These are the types of the training. So this type on the basis of height of head. And what is height? There is the height from ground to the first branching. Height from ground to the first branching, what we call it as the height of head. On account of this, there is the low head, medium head and high head. In case of low head, there is the 0.7 to 0.9 meter height. This is again approximate height. In case of low head, there is the 0.7 to the particular 9. This is particular common in windy area. This particular height common in the plant that are growing into the particular windy area, because in windy area this height there is the easy to maintain the particular plant. Okay, this is the low height, and it is possible to maintain such a type of height plant in the windy areas, because in windy area, suppose there is the particular strong wind is there, so there is no adverse effect on the plant. Then medium head, that is the 0.9 to 1.2 meter, and this is the above 1.2 meters. So the medium head, that is the 0.9 to the particular 1.2 meter, and there is the again high head. Third height is that, or third type of training is that there is the high head. This particular high head type of training, there is the having about the height of the particular 1.2 meter, but it is not suitable in the particular windy areas, because this is greater height of the particular head, means greater height of the particular first branches. Then it is common in the particular, it is common in what we call wind free area, where there is the particular wind is free. So it is common in wind free area. Okay, so these are the types of the training: low head on the basis of height of head, low head, medium head and high head. Then we are going to see the systems of training. Now there is the systems of trainings. Systems of training. Okay, basically there are the three systems of training. Okay, Basically, there are the three system of training. One is the open, first one is the central ladder system. First one is this is the second one. First one is the central ladder or leader system. Second one, open center system, and third one is that modified what we called it as there is the particular modified ladder system. Modified okay, these three are the systems of training. We can see one by one. The central ladder system, then there is the open center system, and third one is the modified ladder system. First of all, there is the central ladder system. Here there is the particular in central ladder system, there is the plants that are grow up to the particular the first branch. Here there is the particular first branch is developed from the particular bottom. There is the distance of first branch, that is the 45 centimeter, and here there is the 15 to 20 centimeter distance between the two branches. Again remember that there is the 45 centimeter distance from the bottom to the first branch. Here up to this all branches are trained. So here there is the maintenance of maintain the 45 centimeter distance, and there is the particular 15 to 20 centimeter distance from the particular between the two branches. So there are some disadvantages of the particular central ladder system, where there is the less interception of light in the particular lower branches, because this is this particular plant centrally grow, and this is the what we call a ladder. So there is the light reach on the reach on the particular upper surface of the branching. Lower branching, there is the interception of the light is again the less in particular lower branching. So, and then there is the again one of the disadvantages is that again it is difficult to particular intercultural operation. It is difficult to intercultural operation like the particular harvesting, then there is the spraying, dusting, or etc. So there is the particular difficult in the intercultural operation. Example is walnut. This central ladder system, there is the example. What we call it as the walnut. Then second one is that open center system. Second system is that open center system. Here there is the particular the plant, main trunk of the plant Here they are just like the bowl-like arrangement of the particular plant. So here there is the particular main trunk is cut. Main trunk cut from the 45 centimeter from the particular bottom of the plant. There is the only 45 centimeter main trunk is there, so that lateral branches grow sidely and there is the bowl like structure is formed. Here there are the 4 to 5 branches are there. 4 to 5 branches are there on the main trunk, and it is trained on 45 centimeter, about 45 centimeter. The advantages is that there is the more interpretation, interception of the particular light, means sunlight that are reach on the every part of the plant. But here there is the disadvantage or drawback of the open center system, that is the trunk is not fully developed or it not bear the particular weight because due to the less height of the trunk. So there is the particular more interception of light, but there is the again there is the what we call interculture operation. Here we can easily one can easily do the intercultural operation like the harvesting, then spraying. These are the intercultural operation because due to the less height of the particular plant. So then bowl shape arrangement is there, and this particular plant is not suitable or method is not suitable where there is the frost area. Okay, then third system, that is the modified ladder system. Modified ladder system. Here there is the particular modifications of the cut is given on the particular 120 to 150 meter. The cut is given on 120 to 150 meter. Then here there is the first branch 40 to 50 centimeter from the ground. Then there is the lateral branches. Look at here, this particular modified ladder system is the combination of both the system, open center system and the particular central ladder system. Here there is the combination is made in the particular modified ladder system, that is the central ladder system and open center system, so that both the things are achieved here in case of the particular modified ladder system. Here again the distance between the two branch is of 15 to 20 centimeter. Then it allowed to grow 4 to 5 years. Then again beheaded. Okay, the plant first allowed to grow 4 to 5 years. Then the particular the plant is beheaded, and due to which beheading, the plant having the strong framework. Example, this particular system is in the most temperate fruit modified ladder system, because both the things are achieved here. Maximum interception of light and the strong stem or strong framework to the plant. Again here there are the particular intercultural operation is for carrying the intercultural operation it is easy. So maximum fruit plant there is the use of the particular modified ladder system. Here there is the example of guava, then apple, these are the example of the particular modified ladder system. And last one there is the that is the cordon system. This particular system, cordon is refer for the guard. Cordon is refer for the guard, and cordon system where there is the particular, and here guard means what? There is the particular support to the particular plant. Here there is the support to the particular plant. This is occur or in the wine plants where they require the particular support. And sometime there is the particular angles. Angles are used into the angles and wires. They are used into the tomato crops also. Then this particular support is in the wine crops, wine plants, or for example there is the grapes. So this is all about the training. Then there is the objectives of trainings, then there is the types of trainings, and then there is the methods of training. Okay, thank you.